by 3 sisters. And today we're showing you guys how to make these super cute Halloween candy boxes, which were made out of paper rolls. And these are so easy to make. You know, all you gotta do is paint it, then staple it, and it's done. But guys, if we're going to make candy boxes, we need candy, don't we? Well, why don't we go get some? Let's go to Whole Foods. We're here at our local Whole Foods to go get the candy, so let's go. So first, we're going to get these sour gummy bears.
I wanted two of them. I don't mind. They would be word of faith.
Get a lot in there. They picked up gummy worms. That looks like we have them now. I think so too. Let's get the top on. So guys, we just got back from our local Whole Foods and picked out a ton of different candies, especially the gummy worms and the sour gummies. So guys, comment down below if you like sweet or sour candy. I personally like sour. What do you guys like?
Both.
I like sour.
I like both. I like the
Sweetest too. And guys, if there's any other crafts that you want to see us make, please comment down below, because this isn't just, our channel isn't just about what we want to make, it's also about what you guys want to see from us. And before we get on to this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. For more videos in the future, make sure to hit the bell. Now on to the video. And the things you'll be needing for this craft are paper rolls in whatever size you'd like, paintbrushes, acrylic paints, and one stapler. Oh my gosh. I told you no more candy, dude. I'm sorry. Can I have a piece of that? If you guys are making the ghost candy box, I'll be showing you how to make it. And the first step is you're going to put your paintbrush in the white, and you're going to spread it on there, and you can use any different brush you want. I'm using a sponge brush, so let's get painting. And now you're finished. So now I'm gonna let this dry. Now that this is dry, I'm going to paint the mouth and eyes with the black paint, and you can either use the back of the paintbrush or you can use the front of the paintbrush. So now I'm going to paint the eyes and the mouth. I'm gonna dab it, and the eyes are gonna be right here. Into the mouth. You want to do the mouth a little bit bigger to look like it's open. So now we're gonna staple it and put the candy inside. Now I'm going to staple this. Now that I washed my hands, I'm going to take some candy and put it in the ghost. I'm going to take some of these long ones because they normally don't get put in there, so. And you really don't need a lot. If you're doing this, you can also buy pre-packaged candy. Look at that candy. I wish I could eat it. You're going to pinch the opposite side. You want to pinch it closed while you're doing this. I finished mine, and I think it's super cute. Now Reese is going to show you how to make Frankenstein. So I gotta go. Thanks, Grace. Now I'm going to show you guys how to make Frankenstein. So the first step is to make his whole body green. Now I'm going to let this dry and then we're going to do the hair. Now we're going to do the super cool black hair. We're going to let this dry and then we're going to do the eyes. We lost the footage but we did the eyes, so now I'm going to do the mouth. We're using a toothpick, but you can use whatever you like. So now I'm going to staple it. Make sure to have parents' permission before doing this. Now I'm going to put the candy inside. Now that my hands are all clean, it's time to put the candy. Now I'm going to staple it up. And this is the final result. Now Riley's going to show you how to make the candy corn. Now I'm going to show you guys how to make the candy corn. My first step is to paint the candy corn white, orange, and yellow. So I finished and now I'm going to let it dry before I staple it and fill it with candy. While my other one is drying, I'm going to staple this one for fun. You don't want to staple your candy corn like this. You want to staple your candy corn this way so it looks more like a candy corn, because otherwise it looks like a pillow. I got this face idea from Red Tat, so you should definitely go check out her video. If you guys like our Halloween crafts and you want more, go check out our playlist of other Halloween crafts, like our Stiffy Ghosts, and our Ghosts and Goblins, our Ghosts and Goblins game, and even our Halloween magnets. See you next week. Bye! See you next week. Bye!